The Dodge Demon is back, and it's more powerful, more aggressive, and more exhilarating than ever. The 2026 Dodge Demon represents the return of raw American power, a machine built for those who crave unfiltered performance and adrenaline-fueled driving. Dodge has taken everything that made the original Demon legendary and turned it up a notch, creating a muscle car that dominates the road and the drag strip. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a roaring, fire-breathing beast designed to push the limits of speed and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Dodge Demon packs an all-new supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, capable of producing an earth-shattering 1,200 horsepower and 1,100 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a true masterpiece of engineering, built to deliver instant acceleration and relentless speed. Dodge has fine-tuned the supercharger, optimized air intake, and reworked the cooling system to ensure that this machine can handle the extreme power it generates. The result is a car that launches with brutal force, pinning you to the seat as it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. Straight line speed has always been the Demon's specialty, but Dodge has gone a step further in 2026, refining handling and stability to make this car a true all-around performer. The new adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts damping and ride height based on driving conditions, giving the Demon an edge not just on the drag strip, but also on winding roads. The wider stance and improved aerodynamics ensure that high-speed stability is never compromised. Dodge has also introduced a new set of ultra-wide performance tires, designed to maximize grip and traction, making sure all 1,200 horses reach the pavement efficiently. The design of the 2026 Dodge Demon is as aggressive as its performance. The front fascia has been completely reworked, featuring an even larger hood scoop to feed air into the supercharged engine. The grille is more menacing than ever, with a sharp, angular design that gives the Demon a predatory look. The muscular fenders emphasize the car's wide body stance, making it clear that this machine was built for dominance. Every curve and contour has been sculpted for both aesthetics and functionality, ensuring that the car cuts through the air with minimal resistance. The rear of the car features a redesigned spoiler and diffuser, both of which contribute to improved downforce and stability at high speeds. Inside, the 2026 Dodge Demon